changing a fraction to a percent equivalency. So up here, we're giving 4/8 as our fraction. We want to change it to percent. So when we look at this, we say, what do we multiply the 8 by to get 100? There is no whole number to do that. But what we could do is to simplify it first. So instead, if we had 4/8, we're going to simplify that. What number goes into both of these numbers? And we know that the 4, small number, can go into the big number, so we're going to divide by the small number. So we're going to divide by the 4 on the top. 4 divided by 4 is 1. And divide by 4 on the bottom. 8 divided by 4 is 2. So now that we have 1, 2, now we know we can go ahead and change this to percent. So we say, what can we change this on the bottom? 2 times what is 100 is times 50. So you do it on the top as well, times 50. So 1 times 50 is 50, and this is 50%. So that's going to be our answer, 50%. Now if you'd have the number 3/8, again, we couldn't simplify that to a percent. And 3 is a prime number, and it does not go into 8. So we cannot simplify this number any further. So what we're going to have to do is do 3 divided by 8. So we add our decimal and add our decimal, and then we can go ahead and divide. 8 does not go into 3, so then we add an extra 0. 8 can go into 30 3 times. 8 times 3 is going to be 24. Once you subtract that, you get 6. So we're going to add another 0 here and bring it down to add another 0. So 8 now goes into 60 7 times to get 56. And you subtract that, and you're going to get 4. So add a 0, bring it down, add a 0. So now we have 8 goes into 0 5 times. So we have a 5 because 5 times 8 is 40. And our difference is 0, so we stop. And this up here is our decimal. So it is equal to 0.375. Now to change that to a percent, you had decimal, percent, and to get from a decimal to percent, we move it 2 places over and give it a percent sign. 2 places over and put a percent sign. So it's 37.5%. The other way you could have noticed that decimal is 0.375, and we look at it for the hundredths place value, and this is the hundredths place value, so that would be 37%, and we put 0.5 for the rest of it.